Okay, welcome back. This technique I'm going to teach you now is a strategy. You can do it as long as you've got your basic facts. So when I'm saying your basic facts, you understand your multiplication skills. 2 times 8, you know what the answer is. 12 times 7, you know what the answer is. If you're having to really think about it and use paper, then this next strategy is probably not a good one yet for you. Eventually, maybe. So if I have 17 times 14, okay, I could do the algorithm way, or I could use a split strategy, I could do whatever. But here's another way you could do it as well. I'm going to use, let's go with pink. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to use this digit here, 4, and I'm going to plus it onto 17 mentally, so in my head. So 17 plus 4 would give you what? 21. Now, I'm going to multiply that by 10. 21 multiplied by 10 is the same as saying 21 and adding a 0 on the end. That would give you 210. Okay? So step 1 is add 4 onto 17. So I move this last digit in the ones onto this one. Now I could do it the other way, 17 plus 4 will give me the same result. But for this particular case, this one added onto that. We know that would give me 21. Step 2, multiplied by 10. Okay, so step 2, 21 times 10, which gives you, what's that little one? Okay, 210. Step 3. Step 3. I'm now going to multiply the ones together, only the ones, in the place value, the ones. So 7 times 4, or I really should say 4 times 7. Either way, it's going to give me the same result. So step 1, 4 times 7 would give me 28. Step 3, step 4 I should say, 210 plus 28 will give me 238. Now that looks like a lot of writing going on here. Ultimately, once you've done this a few times, and you're good at your number facts and your basic facts, you really get a good grasp of it, you can do this mentally in your head. Okay, so I'm going to leave them there. Let's try a couple over here. See if you can follow those same steps. So if I put down 13 times 16. Follow those same steps, and I'll do one over here. So step 1, I've got 13 here, and I'm going to add the 6 onto the 13. So step 1, 13, and I'm going to add the 6. So 6 onto the 13. Doesn't matter which way you do it. 6 plus 13 equals 19. Yeah, I might do it the other way. I've done 13 plus 6. So 13 plus the 6 on here, it's going to give me 19. Okay, so at this stage, we're on 19. Step 2, can you remember step 2? I'm going to multiply it by 10, which means, mentally, I just add a 0 on. So it now says 190. Okay, so I'll sort of jump to step 1 and step 2. Step 3, remember back here, okay, I'm looking at the ones. So here's my ones, 3 and 6. So 6 times 3 would give me 18. If I add that together, 190 plus 18 should give me 208. 208. Easy? I think so. Okay, see if you can do these two, following that. Let's try 15 times 16. Follow those steps, see if you can mentally do that. Okay, you can pause the video, come back. Okay, so in this one here, you've worked it out and you've come back, and I'll just go through it. So 6 onto 15, or 15 plus 6, is 21, multiplied by 10, gives you 210. Next step, 6 times 5, which is in the ones place. 6 times 5 is 30. 210 plus 30 will give you 240. One last one. Let's choose 17 times 16. A bit more challenging. Pause the video, see how you go with that, and then come back. Done, excellent. Okay, I add 6 onto 17, gives me 23. I multiply it by 10, now gives me 230. 7 times 6 is 42. Add that together, 272. There's another thing I will get you to do at some stage, but at the moment, have a practice with that. Doesn't just work with digits that start in the 10, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Does it work with 17 times 24 or not? Give it a try.